Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two incredible robot vacuum and mop combos that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. In the red corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5, and in the blue corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roomba Combo J5 and the robot vacuum and mop combo offer powerful suction. The Roomba Combo J5 features a 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from all corners of your home. It even has dirt detect technology to focus on dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo boasts a 1,400 pascals suction power and a 2-in-1 mopping function, making it suitable for all hard floors. It's a tough call, but we have to give this round to the Roomba Combo J5 for its comprehensive cleaning capabilities. Smart features are becoming increasingly important in our tech-driven world. The Roomba Combo J5 can be controlled through the iRobot Home app, allowing you to create no mop zones and customize cleaning schedules. It also has advanced navigation, ensuring a thorough clean without missing a spot. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers convenient control through the Tuya Smart app, and it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Both products have their strengths in this category, but we'll give a slight edge to the Roomba Combo J5 for its advanced navigation capabilities. Nobody wants their cleaning companion to run out of juice halfway through the job. The Roomba Combo J5 has a decent runtime, allowing it to clean for a significant amount of time before needing to recharge. However, the robot vacuum and mop combo takes the lead in this category with an impressive 100-minute runtime, perfect for larger homes. Plus, it automatically returns to the charging base when the battery is low or the cleaning is complete. The robot vacuum and mop combo wins this round with its long-lasting battery. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Roomba Combo J5 comes with a price tag of $599, while the robot vacuum and mop combo is priced at $729. Though the Roomba Combo J5 offers excellent cleaning and smart features, the robot vacuum and mop combo provides a slightly better value for its price with its longer runtime and 2-in-1 mopping capability. The robot vacuum and mop combo wins this round for its competitive pricing. Based on online reviews, the Roomba Combo J5 and the robot vacuum and mop combo have received positive feedback from customers. Let's take a look at some of the reviews to get a better understanding of their performance. And there you have it, folks. The Roomba Combo J5 and the robot vacuum and mop combo battled it out in several categories, but in the end it's a close call. The Roomba Combo J5 excels in cleaning performance and smart features, while the robot vacuum and mop combo shines in battery life and pricing. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy cleaning.